another day on the farm. Man, you had some funky feet, man. You had some funky Yankee feet, man. What's up with you, homie? What you got to say about it? What you do? I ain't gonna hurt you. Easy, little boy. Yeah, we cruising now. Take you for mine. Oh, you got pine cones falling, homie. What's up, boss? Yeah. You gonna be the sacrificial lamb. We're gonna have some whole lot. Or some Bantam Silkies. I have my boy. They're like, we a Bantam of you. What the peacock is going down? Silkie and other men look alike, so they probably yeah, what no problems, homie? And I will give you some problems, though. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, what? Yeah, that's what I thought. Huh, yeah, that's what I thought, player. Yeah, I ain't scared of no chicken. Stay right there, Juju. Oh, that Silkie is already eating the food. Like what? Give me that food, man. Juju's like, what, man? You better get on out of here, man. Get on out of here. Messing up the shot, homie. Yeah, y'all get that thing. Get that thing, Two-Face. Get that thing, Two-Face. Juju, stay out of it. Stay out of it, Juju. No. Stay away. Thank you, homie. Yeah, I got two homies got my back. Yeah, wood. Me and Longhorn going hard all day long, player. Said I got white feathers too. They cool with the Silkie. They little bowleg try to get on her already. Man, I don't think she's old enough, bro. And that might be a male. All I know. She got a bushy tail, so I was hoping it'd be a female. Juju. Her and that peel. We don't worry about food shortage around here. DIY, easy build chicken coops. Easy build, easy move. We move these chickens daily. It's like they free ranging in their own protected little area. Yeah.
30 yards straight up.
Bugs not drugs is the way to go. They eat everything that you got left over, don't you know? They be grubbing, hugging, they some hungry little birds. And they the best that you ever gonna see. That's right. Get the best eggs, the best meat. Get the pants. Get your pants. Bug fed, fresh grass. They all about getting that good stuff. Yeah. Check us out.
Alright, peace.
Raw diet all day,
I'll
baby.
talk back to dogs.
That's right. Peace.
I take that back. I'm known to talk back to a few dogs in my time.